Okay, today we're going to practice figuring out the main idea of a text. When we say text, what we mean are the words here. Okay, and I know when when I'm figuring out the main idea, I have to read the text many times. So main idea means what the story is mostly about, or what the text is mostly about. What I like to do first is look at the picture. And I see an elephant. It looks like the elephant is in the water using its trunk to drink. So I know that this text is about an elephant. Maybe it's about an elephant drinking with its trunk. I'm not sure, but I'm going to read to find out. Okay, here we go. Elephants use their trunks for many things. First, they use them to drink water and wash themselves. They also use their trunks to pick up food and put it in their mouths. A trunk to an elephant is like a hand to a person. Elephants' trunks are very important. A good way to figure out what the main idea of a text is to watch and listen for words that repeat themselves a lot. So I don't know about you, but I noticed that I read the word trunk quite often. Let's see where we find the word trunk in this passage. I have my highlighter here, and also maybe how many times. Elephants use their trunks for many things. First, they use them to drink water and wash themselves. They also use their trunks to pick up food and put it in their mouth. A trunk to an elephant is like a hand to a person. Elephants' trunks are very important. So as you can see, the word trunk appeared at the beginning and in the middle 2 times and at the end. So after looking at the picture and seeing and realizing that the word trunk shows up many times, I can say to myself, well, I think this text is mostly about trunks, elephant trunks. I'm going to read it again because I know every time I read a text, I understand it better. So let's see what this text is saying about trunks. Okay. Elephants use their trunks for many things. Ooh, that's an important sentence. Let's see if the other sentences explain the ways that elephants use their trunks. Okay. First, they use them to drink water and wash themselves. That explains one way that elephants use their trunks. They also use their trunks to pick up food and put it in their mouth. So that's a second way that elephants use their trunks. A trunk to an elephant is like a hand to a person. So elephants use their trunks like hands. So, and the last sentence says, elephants' trunks are very important. Okay, let's go back to the first sentence. Elephants use their trunks for many things. And then the rest of the sentences tell how. So I would say that the main idea is how an elephant can use its trunk. I'm going to shift over to this page. This is a main idea page. And down here, I have a bunch of cutouts here. This top cutout says how an elephant can use its trunk. I'm going to place that in the main idea part. How an elephant can use its trunk. These next 3 parts ask for details. How an elephant can use his trunk is the main idea, but how does the elephant use its trunk? What are some different ways? Let's go back. First, they use them to drink water and wash themselves. Okay, I think I have that here. Elephants use their trunks to drink water and wash. Goes right there. That's the first detail that tells about how an elephant can use its trunk. Okay, what else now? They also use their trunks to pick up food and put it in their mouth. Okay, let's go back. Elephants use their trunks to pick up and eat. Pick up food and eat, it should say. We'll put that right there. Okay, that's our second detail. Okay, a trunk to an elephant is like a hand to a person. Here we go. Our last detail. Elephants can use their trunks like a hand. Okay, perfect. So let's summarize here, which means let's wrap it up. This is the main idea. How can an elephant use its trunk? And we know that from reading the passage. There are 3 key details that tell about this. Number 1, elephants use their trunks to drink water and wash. Elephants use their trunks to pick things up and eat. Elephants can use their trunks like a hand. So these 3 examples tell about the main idea. Awesome job, guys. This is big stuff. You'll learn this again in like 1st grade, 2nd grade, 3rd grade, 4th grade, all the way up. So this is just the beginning. And don't forget, pictures also help you understand what a text is mostly about. In fact, I think pictures are really important. Remember how I started with this picture? So you look for the picture and you look for words that repeat. And that's how you can start to figure out the main idea of a text. All right, guys, well done.